This is how to add a column on a table in SQL. Let's see how we add a column to a table in SQL. So first of all, we make a comment about how to add a column to a table. We have a table called demo, has a name and hint as columns. Then we are going to add one column, one more column, alter table name, which is demo. That's the table we have. Let's practice demo. And we add that the column name we are trying to add, which is birthday. Birthday or birth date. Define it as a date, semicolon, and run. So when you run, you will see the new column is added on birthday. This is how you do it. Let me know if you have any question in the comment.